This is where the truck stays parked. We gotta walk to camp from here. It's supposed to be like a mile.
We can do it. Gotta get rope for the giant, man.
Shit, the rope is in your pack.
The paracord?
Yeah.
Damn. Fail.
What can we do here?
Well,
What can we do here? Improvise. I'm gonna adjust that so it doesn't, so you can tell what's going on.
yeah. Stay safe, little sub.
Let's see.
Just tie it straight to my bag. Does it work? Can you pull it a little bit?
Yeah.
Easy? All right.
You want me to pull?
No, I got it. I just wanted to say you're doing it. Just pull it real quick. Keep the sub safe.
We made that. Okay.
Improvise, adapt, overcome.
Improvise, adapt, overcome this fucking trail. This isn't a trail. This is a gravel road that we're not allowed to drive on.
I know. We only went like 2 feet.
You are here. Here. We need to be here. And then down here. Yeah, we went like 2 feet.
In the wagon.
Jew-Squatch the wagon, and check it out. Yup, the wagon. It's a nice place. Hurry up.
Before I run down here real quick.
Are here, which means we go that way. Long walk for all this stuff we're carrying. We're gonna have to make like 3 trips. They burnt this tree out. Yeah, it's to kill stuff.
Yeah.
We're almost to the campsite. It's a long walk with all this way too much stuff we brought. Damn. Trail ends at site number 1. That is where we are staying, site number 1, the end of the trail. Not allowed to collect firewood in the forest here. Oh shit. This campsite better be worth it.
Picking up a lot of mud.
There's the lake. There's the vaulted toilet. We got our own bathroom, dude.
Nice. Private shitter. Ah, fuck. Hold on.
So is this, we could go down that trail, or is it, look.
Oh yeah, it says R1. Is that us then?
That just keeps going.
I guess, because that's the loop around.
You want me to walk down there and see?
Sure.
Hold this. Apparently this is us. Very unclear. This ain't it. It's kind of dead ends. Water's right behind me. This ain't it. Do you see a trail anywhere? No trail. Going back. This definitely ain't it. Hope I'm not just getting covered in ticks right now. Possibly could be. Gotta get that tick spray out. Back on track. Yeah, that's a game trail. See that? The firewood they sold us was $8 a bundle, and it's like cut up fence planks.
Oh, beautiful.
This is our campsite.
Let me. I know, I just kind of leaned back. Hold up, there you go. Probably should put my muddy ass boot right there. Yeah. This thing still on? Yeah. Oh yeah. Canoe. Tent. Animal hole. Climb inside my hole.
Dude, it looks pretty deep. Like,
Yeah, it looks like I can see out like 5 feet.
we might have some luck fishing here. The only problem is the current's coming at us.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ow! Nice and cold already.
Alright. Yeah, this is a good.
Oh yeah, that is actually a really nice viewpoint.
At it in a while.
I think I said it was 6. 5 or whatever.
After this.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
What? Don't do it. Flyers with us and shit. Finally. Alright, I just got 2 bites. It must have probably was the same fish. You get a bite, you fucking set that hook hardcore. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Should we take a picture? Look what I got! Finally caught the first thing. How big do you think that is? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look up.
Nice.
Crane. Stork?
Pelican.
Pelican. Staking out the rain.
We are sitting under a tarp shelter in a rainstorm. Latest storm just passed. Check out the mansion we built. Riding out these storms in a tent mansion we built. I got your tent mansion right here. Yeah?
You literally chuck.
Okay, wait, hold on. First thing in the morning, I'm like, Gorlock, what is it? Gorlock the Destroyer.
What were you dreaming about?
Dude.
I mean...
Okay. We're gonna do this. You'll see.
Dude, hey, wait. There's like no rain right now.
Oh, should we go out there?
I mean,
I'm about to go out there anyway.
yeah, like, listen.
Want to go in there?
Out there?
Yeah, let's go out there.
Let's go in there and out there.
Look at our house.
It's great. Yo, Minneapolis be like
It is pretty.
$750 a month for that. Oh, because our fire is no more.
We're doing the dumbest thing we could do right now. I'm gonna try to split this log in the dark, in the rain,
1 a.m.
to keep this fire going. 1 a.m.
One more. Yeah.
Gorlock success.
Me very funny for you, little man.
Happy birthday, Jimbo. We should go seek shelter.
Yeah.
It's starting to rain.
We get our.
This plate's.
Alright.
Here, let's get this light going.
Oh, I guess. Well, we have headlamps as well.
Oh yeah.
Duh. Okay, don't forget your booze.
Boozers.
Oh, your phone is actually way more important.
Oh shit.
Beer.
Beer.
This one?
Pockets.
That one? This one?
I'm having a hard time over here.
You are, apparently. Welcome to me house, man.
We forgot the plates.
You forgot to play.
I knew there was a
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah. Let me just hang this shit up.
Oh shit, I'm like wiping spaghetti all over this camera.